In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a link on Hootsuite with a perfect link preview. Let's start by opening Hootsuite and creating a new post. Head to the Post Composer, which is where you'll write and prepare everything that's going to be published. Make sure you're in the right workspace and that you're ready to craft the message you want your audience to see. Keeping things organized at this stage makes the rest of the process smooth and fast. Now paste your URL directly into the post text box. Use the full link, including the HTTPS part, so Hootsuite can recognize it properly. You don't need to add any extra characters or paste it more than once. Just drop it in and give it a moment. If you copied the link from a document, double check that no hidden spaces came along for the ride. Next, wait for Hootsuite to detect the link preview. You'll usually see a preview panel appear with an image, a title, and a short description pulled from the page you're linking to. This might take a few seconds, especially for pages that haven't been shared recently. If the preview doesn't load right away, pause for a moment, then try clicking away and back, or remove and repaste the link to prompt a refresh. With the preview in place, edit the caption or surrounding text as needed. Write a clear, compelling line that tells people what they'll get when they click. Keep it concise but informative. Add a simple call to action like learn more or read the full article, and include a few relevant hashtags to boost discoverability. If you're mentioning partners or brands, add their handles here. Aim for a natural flow. A short hook, a benefit, and a reason to click. Before you go any further, check the link preview carefully. Confirm the image is relevant, the title reads correctly, and the description matches the content you're sharing. If something looks off, verify the URL and try refreshing the preview. A clean, accurate preview increases trust and click-throughs. Finally, choose whether to schedule or publish the post. If you want it live right away, select Publish Now. If you're planning ahead, pick a date and time that aligns with when your audience is most active and confirm your time zone is correct. Give everything one last scan for typos, then confirm. That's it. Your link post is ready to go with a professional looking preview.